So what is it about Drew's work that makes it stand out so much? What is it that just makes the images seem to leap off the poster? I mean, for God's sakes, Follow That Bird looks like a friggin' epic.
Those weren't all Drew Struzan posters.
Yeah, it's pretty bad when a tribute to someone's work doesn't have a good chunk of their work. For example, this Star Wars poster wasn't his, and neither was this one for Follow That Bird. This and a couple others were actually done by Chorney, who is also a wonderful artist working in that same sort of Struzan style. In fact, I found out that he actually is often mistaken for Drew Struzan, so you can understand the mess up. It's good work though. If you don't know his stuff, definitely check out his website, it really kicks ass. With me saying it was Drew Struzan, however, it was just another one of my fuck-ups. But to be fair, Drew Struzan himself sent me an email, I'm dead serious about this, and said that most people that do interviews or stories about him always get the wrong posters. He also said, if anything, I was one of the closest he's ever seen to getting them all right. So,
You moron!